Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'll talk about SUI local updates with my customer Grosser. Let's dive in. Right, guys, you remember this FEEP? Let's turn on, and like you can see, we dump it, test it. Now 27 block like support. So we pump it, and the roar will be open to test the yearly open. The yearly open now it's $4.12. How to work with this indicator? It's pretty simple indicator. It just showed you the opens of daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. So it's just really pretty simple indicator. But all of these opens is like a trigger for the price. Like support, like resistance. Depends of the market stage where we now. Daily time frame here, we hold the line here, bounce at 27 block, $1.75 like support now. Previously in 2020 here in 2024 February, this level playing out like resistance, drop to 61, bounce here playing out like support, and after the new all-time high we come back and test it like support. So guys, this FEEP still relevant, and technically if we will see some crazy capitulation on a BTC, because guys, we have to keep in mind, even from this current prices, BTC still can drop to 73, 74K. Yes, it's hard to believe, but it's possible, because maybe this time will be once again the sell in May and go away event, and we will form the Wyckoff accumulation and the spring zone based on that model in summer, like August maybe. In this case, yes, the alts can drop one more time like this to 0.5 level by FEEP, 75 cents. I don't think so. We will drop that low. I waiting the BTC dominance under 55%, under 60%, 50%, and the alts will perform, because we need to pump alts to generate the liquidity. Because for the new all-time high of BTC, we need to put the alts higher, so the people will inflow the money again randomly into altcoins. And after that, when the alts hit some highs and the people wait some crazy gains, like in previous cycles, 5,000% gains, 10,000% gains from different altcoins. It's like can be the meme sector, the real world asset sector, different layer 1, layer 2, and the people will stuck in it once again. You saw the greatest example of Mantra, and people still invested at $6, at $7. People always greed, and the same story can be with the SUI, with say with other tokens. And it means we need a fuel for BTC, and the best option to bring the new liquidity, it's a pump low cap tokens. So for example, imagine how many people will still buy the SUI at $10, at $9, because the people will stuck in a in their mindset. So we have to go to $100, to $200. Of course, it's possible. We saw the great example of Solana previous cycles. But guys, build realistic price targets, and I think we will see some perform on alts again, to hit the new all-time highs, right? But not all altcoins will hit the new all-time high. For example, I don't believe in ICP, new all-time high. But after that liquidity, when their whales will start fix a profit from the alts, they invest in BTC for the last leg up for the new all-time high on a BTC. That's why the best case for BTC is a range during the next summer, right? 3 months, range consolidation and performs on alts. That's why for a SUI, the best case, it's formed something like this one, right? And go higher to the new all-time high. It's hard to say where will be the next high for SUI, but capitulation, if something will happen with the SUI, it's these levels. So once again, guys, it's $1.40 till 75 cents. I don't think so. We'll drop once again to this low, maybe next bear market. So technically, guys, everything still in play. It was another FEEP, for correction. So here was a top correction, pump 2.61. So the reward can be open to the yearly open 61, close the 50% of the gap, and 668, 775. This is the local one targets. And if you think it's not a big deal, it's a good pump from 36 cents, even from the listing price like 10 cents to $7.75. It's going to be the good one. That's why, guys, I want to show you now locally and globally for SUI. So this is the first trouble area. Let's double check with my customer cassette what's going on. So here, what is good? What is good? Take a look. This was a distribution zones with the awareness on the weekly. Now we dump it to the accumulation zone. With some tiny awareness here and pump. So we need to see some, again, ADZ at the top, build the big awareness again, like this one. You know? So this is how the awareness forms on weekly and daily. And take a look, no signal to sell on direction on a weekly, so it's a good one. To buy or not, guys, it's only up to you. For me personally, this is not a zone of interest for SUI. Yes, we can go higher, for example, like 120%, but for me, it's not a good risk ratio, right? Here's a Afria, now it's positive. Positive, not even close to the trill zone. Here was optimism. So everything looks okay for SUI for continuation for another leg up, you know, but be careful. For me, a lot of alts now in much more better position and condition in the market than SUI. A lot of altcoins, so underrated, right? I'm not recommending you anyone, but take a look on StarkNet, take a look on IAVO, take a look, I don't know, on 1 inch, even 1 inch, a lot of altcoins lay down at the bottom. Even the algorithm at 20 cents looks more attractive than SUI, right? Because the target for algo can be like $1, $1.20 from 20 cents, then $3.60 to $7. So comparison between the coins in percentage gains, potential percentage gains. So here was a money inflow. Take a look. Here's a money outflow, money inflow, pumps, money outflow, money inflow, pumps, no money outflow. So it's a good one. So I believe, yes, the SUI can perform pretty good one, but for me, it's zero interest in it. Sell, buy back, pump. Here's a daily. Sell, buy back, no signal to sell. So the reward is open to test for 15. So it's pretty simple, yearly open. And the last indicator, guys, take profit. Take profit here will be the exit line. So yearly open is going to be the exit line on the take profit indicator. Now we test it till penny. Take a look. Here is a reaction. Here, magic. Take profit line. So price all the time respect the levels, right? Take a look. The same story was here. The last test of a buy line. 12-hour time frame, guys. We now hold the line here, and so it would be good to see that today or maybe tomorrow, you know, next week, before the Wednesday, you know, by end of months, we can hit the 412. And after that, at this level, for example, there's going to be the trouble area for potential short position. So here, if you want to try open short, you can try something like this. But of course, with you know, proper stop losses and money management. I don't think so. We'll drop again to the buy line, like 62%, but we'll see. So from this level, it can be the hypothetical correction. No, 62%. I don't think so. We'll drop once again to the buy line. I don't think so. Daily. So the best case is something like this one, you know, on a daily. Test maybe the monthly and go higher. So build something like double bottom and go to $7.50 to $8 on targets. The capitulation, of course, capitulation, guys, weekly here. If something happened, you know, because in the world now a lot of troubles between the countries. So the buy line on the weekly, it's $1.13. So if we reject with a crazy seller pressure here, we can build something like this one somewhere. It's possible. So guys, build the realistic price targets. I repeat, I have zero interest in SUI now, like investment. If maybe the SUI will drop to $1.15, maybe I will take a look and maybe buy a SUI now $3.62 around the test of yearly open, around the exit line on the daily take profit indicator is zero interest. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what do you think about a SUI. What is next all-time high, if you believe in it, will be for SUI. And if you believe in SUI will not drop to the buy line, what is your last support line for SUI? Write in the comments. If you would like to trade with my customer Chris, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.